Hello everyone, it's your good friend Jack here, and we are back again with another Wax Daily video. I'm a little bit more excited today because on my screen you'll see the timer slowly ticking down for the Ducking Fuzz public drop. We're going live with it for this video. We're not going 100% live, but as you can see on my screen, if you check again, it is counting down. We're 40 seconds out, and I'm going to see what it takes to get one of these PFPs. There's a bit of hype over the last while just because people are getting early access to specific drops. I think it was people who invested in the project, people who were aware, who promoted the project might have just been getting their access to the PFP collection just before it drops. I think they had it tweeted just to let everyone know the time frame when it was happening. They're only about $3.50, 70-cent wax or 69.42-cent wax. So we're happy with that. We're going to try get one. 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay. All right. So after all that, it's ended. No luck trying to get one. 1,000 left, 1,005 left. Pretty shit that I didn't get one, but maybe I'll mosey on over to the secondary marketplace real quick and just have a look, see what's there. Stick with me. We might get one just yet. Although I don't know if many people will be offloading them straight away. This is always the thing with wax. Right. So I got one. I pick it up for 99 wax, which is like 30 wax more than I should have paid for it, but that's all right. We're going to transfer the NFC to the wallet with no memo. So I'm not sure how long it's going to take. I got the token, I've sent this, and what I'll do is I'll reveal it in the video tomorrow. So tune in tomorrow for the big reveal on my Ducking Fuzz. See you then.